Okay, if this is finding you on November 6th, then this is your reading. And I usually start with a channeled message from Spirit. And we're going to get to that. But I want to let you guys know of the synchronicity that I've been seeing because I feel like it's not just for me. It might be for you as well. So I did a reading a couple days ago. Maybe you've seen it if you follow me. But I talked about some signs and synchronicities that you'd see from Spirit if things were about to get really good for you. One of those was a ladybug. Okay, I think 1111, angel wings, feathers, and then ladybug. And, you know, I didn't really think too much of it. But after the reading, and I do these readings all the time where I give signs and synchronicities, right? But after this reading, I've been seeing so many ladybugs. And it's not just like the algorithm, right? They're coming to me in weird ways. So one way that I went out to eat with my kids, and as we sat down at the table, which was inside, by the way, there was a ladybug crawling on the table. And I was like, that's really interesting because I just did this reading for the collective, and then here I am sitting down inside. Like, what are the chances of a ladybug being inside, you know, crawling on the table that we are sitting at? Okay, so I was like, that's interesting. Huh. I come home and I sit down and I look out my window, and there are 3 ladybugs on my window. And I'm like, okay, that's kind of weird, right? That's kind of weird. But again, I'm like, okay, it's that time of year, you know. I take my kids to this play center, and the girl she just got like a huge shipment of toys. And one of the toys that came in, she goes, oh yeah, this is a big ladybug. I'm like, okay, like that's weird once again, right? This is like all in one day. The kicker is that we come home, I drive my kids home, I get them inside, I go inside, and guess what I see crawling on my arm? A ladybug crawling on me. Yes. So maybe you have a thing with ladybugs as well, but let's get into the channel message of what the heck this ladybug means, because I feel like it's a really good omen. Okay, but let's get into the channel message. The message is divine protection and guidance. That's kind of like what I feel is the bigger message. So if you've been seeing ladybugs, you have divine protection right now and guidance with the angels all around you, okay? And I'm hearing love is never a waste. Don't mistake pain for love. I feel like a lot of people have that. It's like, I hear it all the time. It's like, I don't want love. I don't want love. I don't want that again. You do want love. You just don't want the pain. You don't want the pain. And Spirit's saying, don't mistake love for pain, because it's two very different things. Pain is the absence of love, okay? But the love you had was very real, and that was a beautiful thing. And Spirit also wants you to know that there is so much love in the universe that you can tap into at any time. You don't need the excuse of a person to find that love. Start by loving yourself. How about that? If you want to know how to love yourself, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll make a whole video on that, okay? I'll see you next time.